Good little fishing on North Fork of the Holston River. See if I can catch me a carp while I'm fishing. And when I carp fish, I use sweet corn. Cheaper the better. Pour the juice out in the water. Throw me a little bit here and there. That draws them up the river. Now what I do is I just take my corn, completely cover my hook. This pole ain't been used in a good while. Line memory. Now all you do is wait. Now I'm gonna cast me a worm out there. I seen a fish jump up a few minutes ago. Cast over to the shallows and reel towards the current, to where they at. Fish on. Is it a red eye? Oh yeah. Look at there. Nice. Big Dave likes the red eyes. Fish number 2. Another red eye, I believe. Yep. There's number 2. Nice. Fish number 3. What the hell is that? A catfish? Huh, look at there. Big catfish. Ain't he pretty? Get him over here out of the way. Wasn't expecting to catch him. Watching a carp. Fish number 4 this evening on the North Fork of the Holston. They ain't big, but that's a nice red eye. Caught 3 red eyes so far. Nice little catfish. Nice. Fish on. Another red eye. Been seeing carp and stuff go by. Want to catch me a carp. And he swallowed it. Pretty though, ain't he? Check him out. Old Ojo Rojo red eye. For you Espanol speakers. They pretty. Another nice red eye. Fish on. He's a little one. Let's see what he is. Oh, still a little feller. Baby carp. He ain't got no nubs on his head like a horny head's supposed to have. I believe it's a baby carp. Fish is a fish. Easy now. Still. Let me let you go, buddy. Fish on. Another little red eye. Pretty. My favorite fish to catch right there. I like how they attack. Here's a little fishing tip for you. You carp fishing, you see carp swimming around like I've been doing, and you're fishing with corn, and you bring your hook in and it's empty, it's not carp. It's one of these little pecker heads. Caught me a little dink that time. It's pretty though. Caught another little dink. The red eye. At least they're biting again. There's always a little after dark, before dark till it gets dark. I think I'll name this video Night of the Dinks. Look at there. Another little red eye. At least there's fish in here. Another dink. It's alright though. Fish is fish to me. Fish on. Another dink. Another little red eye. Healthy looking. Well, I didn't catch any carp on any corn this evening. Caught one on a worm. baby one. I've caught them before on a worm. They claim they're herbivores and don't eat other creatures, but that's not true. Caught a bunch of dink, red eye after dark. Turtles and catfish were getting all of my bait. Lost a ton of hooks. If you fish on the North Fork, you better bring plenty of hooks and sinkers because you're going to need them. You're going to lose them. Nothing but rock on the bottom. Call this night the living dinks.